Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, May 14th, and I've got some brand new fabric from Minki to share with you today. Let me try to toss this out there. This is Sunsetridge by Minki. It's an homage to where she lives. Um, it's a neighborhood full of flowers, trees, and kind neighbors. You'll want to move in right when you see the gorgeous florals as well as mosaics, dotty scissors, plaids, and dots. You'll love the dreamy palette of lodgepole green, rouge, seafoam, and more. And here is the 10-inch stacker, which we have, which contains all of the fabrics I'm about to show you. And I believe those panels, the first one makes little bags, and I'm not sure what the second one makes. I didn't get the memo on that, and I haven't been here all the time recently, so we'll have to make up our minds about it. Maybe I can tell you in the comments. This is really cute because it's teeny tiny. Look how small all those little details are. So tiny. A lot of stitching imagery, like cross stitching. And then we have, those are like little cherries and scissors. Very cute. There's that one. These are all very delicate, actually, which is kind of fun. I love big, swirly, giant prints, but I also like the really delicate, small prints. That's a lovely color. I used to not be so much on the yellow train, but now I'm hopping on every now and then. Here's some really pretty roses. This is a large group. And then I like the whole color combo of it. And more of those little, they kind of look like things on video games too, a little bit. Pixelated, there we go. Stephanie's helping me out today. I swear it was only my hand that got work done, but I feel like my frame may be suffering a little too. We've got some fun ginghams. And this one, I'm trying to decide if that's brown. What do you think? Do you think it's brown? Gray, taupey brown? Okay, we'll call it that. And then we have some polka dots, because polka dots go with everything. Oh, I really like this piece. This would be what we normally call the hero print, because it sort of ties everything together. And some more pretty dots. Oh, that one's also really nice. And it has the background there, I think, has the printing on it makes it look more linen than it is. Because that's not a solid background, it actually has a print that looks like textiles. And there's a pink, also very pretty. And two more rose prints on a nice mint green and on pink. So that's what we have for you today online and at the shop. Hope you have a great afternoon. Find some time to sew, find some time for yourself, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.